Have everybody bring their bikes into the garage and just rev bomb. We're just gonna rev bomb all day. So we're gonna get our blue belt and rev bomb. All right, ram mount. Going pretty fast, says 75, 76. I don't think this is a 70 or 80 mile an hour road. Hey, there's the side of the vehicle. What are you gonna do? Rev bombing really slowed you down, didn't it? He needs to be teaching class. Bro. Hey, come on up. Come on up. Teach the class. Rev bombing is what you need to be doing, everybody. No, that's not what you're supposed to be doing.
You didn't see me?
No, you're freaking hauling ass. Motion-induced blindness here. They can't judge your speed. You're a small little target moving fast. Nobody can see you when you're going that. You need to go the speed limit, and then people will be able to see you and judge the speed you're going, because they understand when a car's going 45 and you're going 45, you're gonna get there at the same time. Hey, don't stall. Okay. So go the speed limit. All right. Yeah, we're gonna have a rev bomb class. We're just gonna have everybody bring their bikes into the garage and just rev bomb. We're just gonna rev bomb all day. So we're gonna get our blue belt in rev bombing. Okay. Warning: may cause hearing loss. His rev bombs. Okay. So we're gonna see the side of the vehicle coming up. We're going 76 miles per hour. We're gonna see the side of the vehicle. This is not a 76 mile an hour area. We see it way ahead of time. He's already starting to rev bomb. Look at the total stopping distance that we have. Now, this is the total stopping distance, but this is also the total reaction distance. This is how long we have to perceive and react and actually do something, like swerve. We're rev bombing, rev bombing, rev bombing. Swerve left. Why are we going right? Why are you going to the shoulder, the skinny little area, when you can go left? Oh, because we haven't trained our body and our mind to find escape routes and plan for our ride. We haven't. So we're just going to do what we think is best, you know, find the shoulder, and then be upset because we almost got pushed off the road, bro. Well, you could have went left. Could have just passed. And you're going to be pissed. Rev bomb. And you probably killed your engine because, look at this. Let's all have fun with this part.
No me vio.
Don't let the clutch out.
Please, mira.
Don't let the clutch out. Don't let the clutch... Oh. You haven't practiced anything in the parking lot lately, have you? No slow speed, no friction zone, tight turns, maybe a slow straight line. No, we're just rev bombing. Okay. Yeah, it's scary, and that's the thing is I'm making fun, I'm having fun, but I don't want people hurt. So please get some training. Here we go. Nova Rider. I think we talked about this one before. We got a lane merging thing. This guy's all over the place. Hey, when you see something like this, let the dum-dum be in front. Let him be in front. Don't get this close. What are we doing? Look how close we are. We're following. We're following this. Be in a lane position where you have good vision, line of sight, and escape paths. Okay, don't. What are we doing here? 80 miles per hour lane filtering. Why? So we can just say hi to him and like we beat them? All right, so this is an ego. This is an ego thing. Blindly switches lanes without even looking. What were we doing this whole time? We didn't even do a head check. All right, so take a look at this situation. We're going 74. We're in California. We are on the interstate or highway. We are doing probably speed limit, or at least going with the flow of traffic. Very good. This is going to be an ego problem. We have a massive ego problem. That person switched all these lanes over. Okay, now we took away our line of sight, our position for safety, our plan. Our plan just went out the window. We have a good escape path. Okay, cool. Our space cushion is terrible. Just roll off the throttle. Roll off the throttle. Scoot back a little bit. Let the dum-dum be in front of you. And there it is. We're done. We don't even have the rest of the video now because we solved the problem. But let's go and take a look at what happens here. Not even looking. Okay. We just are all over the place on that. We increased our speed. We're going 84 instead of 75 or 74. And why? Because of ego. And look at the position we're at. Now, we're in a lane filtering position, so we have good line of sight. We're able to escape through that area if we needed to. It's going to make me a little bit bigger. We can escape through here if we need to, but look at no stopping distance whatsoever, no space cushion. If this person slammed the brakes and swerved just a little bit to the right, boom, you got hit. So we're not doing a good job. We're not doing a good job with the planning a ride. But look at that. That's the view that I want you guys to have. You see how we can react to that vehicle or this vehicle? Can't do anything about this or this. We're just way too close, way too close. Let's go ahead and see. Let's go. 86 miles per hour. We're going to go ahead and switch lanes. That person's going to switch lanes. Now we're increasing our speed to match this person. And now we have decent line of sight. You see how we had no line of sight right here for the vehicle? And now we can see the vehicle. So that is that line of sight example. So now we're going to go over here because we recognize that this person's an idiot and this person is riding like or driving like a crazy person. He's going to hit people and he's right on this person's ass. And we found an escape through here because we want to keep going fast. And we want to get in front of this person. This person can't lane filter, sucker. We're going to go over here and lane filter. Let's see it. Yep, go ahead and speed up. Lane filter. And now we're in the blind spot of this guy. Let's go ahead and keep going. Let's keep going. We're going to go ahead and flip him off. All right, very good, very good. Good use of the hands. And we're going to move on with our day going 85. We were perfectly fine before all of this, and now we're going 85 doing reckless shit. Don't do that. Just don't. Okay? Pretty simple. Crazy driver didn't stop at the intersection, didn't even apologize. Aw, man. Didn't even apologize. All right. Oh, blinking green. What's up with the blinking green? See how angry they were? So blinking green. Anybody want to tell me what blinking green means? A little pop quiz for the class. Blinking green. Hey, put the pizza down. No. You answer it first. Supposed to have safe turn. Probably an error on the signal. Yield. Okay. Well, I'm going to tell you what I would do. If I saw that there was a blinking green or blinking red or blinking yellow, what is that called? It's called an uncommon thing in a common situation. You got to be prepped and ready for it. And we're at an intersection. Oh, shoot. We should have already been in orange stage. Orange stage, class. What is it? Specifically identified. Okay, we are zoned in. We found an uncommon thing in a common situation. We are prepped and ready. We have our hands over the brakes. We're searching for hazards. We are making sure we're doing what we need to do so we're safe. We find escape paths. Everything. Okay, we don't have to keep talking about it all the time. But that's the uncommon thing I'd be watching out for. And what's the dangerous thing in intersections, everybody? It's gonna be that left turner. And we have a left turner right here. We're going 52. Going 52 through an uncommon thing. So good job with the braking. Good job with the braking. Not too bad. So flipping people off, we should have anticipated a little bit better. All right, here we go. Motorcycle versus crazy drivers. Interesting. Motostar is using another crash compilation channel. All right. Oh, good job with the adaptation and navigation of that threat. Whoa. Did we almost low side right there and lose traction? All right, so we're going around the corner. We have this area. We're going nice and slow. It's a neighborhood. And this is where I tell you to practice after the parking lot. Or even in here before the parking lot. I love neighborhoods. Max 25, maybe 30. You have big open roads. People are naturally going slow because they're worried about hitting a kid because that's no good. So we have a good area to practice, and every single driveway is an intersection. I love it. It's a great practice area. Practice in a neighborhood. So we're going to go over here. There's that tire. Uh-oh. So we're in the middle of a turn. The tire is turned, so you know which way the car is going to go because based off of the body's language, we're going to go ahead and apply a little bit of brake pressure now. So let's go ahead and apply a little bit of brake pressure. Or, you know, if we don't have enough time, we got to do something, right? So we're going to go ahead and swerve. All right, so we're going to swerve. Good job. Found an escape path. We're going straight. Maybe we intended to go that way, but hey, you know what? We got to go this way now. So let's go this way. I think that spot right here in the middle of turning and accelerating that hard, he might have lost a little traction on that rear tire. Right there. I want to say he did, but we never know. So don't kill yourself just because you managed to escape something already. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.